What's up, guys? Welcome back. The 2nd of January, we are going to take a look at Casper/Tether. We're going to talk about end-of-year price predictions for Casper/Tether on this daily chart. We're using Gate.io as the data provider on TradingView.com. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the 2,915 subscribers so far. Trying to get to that 3,000 mark. We're well on our way. So we're going to take a look here at what I came up with for an end-of-year price prediction for Casper. Now, this is based on 2023 price action. So it's not based on all of Casper's price action. It's just based on last year. So keep that in mind. We're going to talk about what Casper did in 2023, and you can kind of see how that will carry into 2024. And assuming the trend continues higher, it should easily be hit. It's nothing crazy, but it's realistic. So let's take a look. And then we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's breaking out, guys. Something we've been talking about is taking place with Bitcoin. All right, so we're going to get our measuring tool and we're going to take a look from early in the year of 2023. So like January 1st. So roughly like right in here is where we're going to start our calculations. So we'll take our measuring tool and we're going to see what we did for a percentage return for Casper. So for the first of 23, and we're going to take a look here. We'll go to December 31st, and that would be the close, which is roughly in this area. So you're at, for last year, for 2023, Casper did roughly an 80% positive return. Up 80%, guys. Roughly from like the 2.7 area, and we closed at the 5.0 area. Roughly. Give or take a few percentage points, but it's right around an 80% return. You bought on the 1st of January in 2023. You put in $10,000. On the 31st of December, you have made $8,000. You now have an $18,000 account with nothing else involved. Obviously, that's in a perfect world. Keep in mind, though, so an 80% return. Keep in mind, Casper went up, let's see here, roughly 130%, and then dropped all the way back down to only a 5.5% return before rallying once again to close the year up roughly about 80%. So 80% return, buy on the 1st, sell on the last day of the year, the 31st. Now let's talk about what I have for Casper for 2024. So my upper price target, I have 2 of them, but we're only going to talk about one of them in this video, is right up here. It's at 8114.08114. 8114. Assuming Casper can get above these highs over here, which are roughly in the 6.3 level, which would put Casper back up into this range, which we will obviously need to see. So this is a lot of resistance over the market. You can see with these big rallies that got faded, and we'll see if this one can hold. We are in a very strong little uptrend here, so it's definitely giving it a good run for its money here. But once again, that is up there at 8114 is my upper price target for the year 2024. And this is based on 2023 price action. If I did all of the trading history we have for Casper, my price target would be much higher. But I'm basing it off what took place in 2023. Okay? So it's 8114 is my upper target. So let's see what that is for a return. So Today is the 2nd. If we take yesterday's close, which is roughly right here, and we go up to the 81.14, which is just about, give or take right there, you're close to a 60% return this year. At least that's what I'd be looking for Casper. Looking for a 60% return, assuming markets continue higher, for an upside target. 60%. So, in theory, if we can fast forward to the end of the year, you would have bought yesterday $10,000. The end of the year, you would have made $6,000. You would have a 60% return. You would now have a $16,000 account. Remember, last year, you had an 80% return on Casper. 10,000 into 18, you made $8,000. This year, I'm looking for a 60% return. 10,000 into 16, you make $6,000. So that is the bullish scenario. I don't have any lower price targets, although I could get them. If you're interested, let me know. My upper price target for Casper is 81.14. This based on the Gate.io chart. Casper/Tether. Once again, this is on TradingView. So that is it. If you're looking for some crazy, ridiculous high price targets, this is not the video for that. I could get you those if you're interested. You can let me know. I'll make a video about it. But realistically, if trends continue higher, 81.14, 60% return is very, very doable. Casper had a much larger price swing through 2023 from the highs to the lows. So we could easily see that price hit. 81.14, guys. I want to share with you some Bitcoin stuff. We're up 3.3%, guys. What took place here? We're getting another upside breakout. Very nice to see. As you can tell by my watch list, we have markets heading higher. XRP is up, XLM is up, Pepe, etc., Flare. We are sitting at some resistance right now, give or take the 45.67 level. I have an upper target to keep your eye on, which is 47,431. Next big target for Bitcoin, 47,431. Keep your eye on it. So as Bitcoin continues higher, it should help the rest of the market, including Casper. So like I said, looking for a 60% return this year if markets continue higher for Casper. And if they do, that should easily be hit. 60% return. That's very, very, very good if you can capture that and compound that over time. But we'll see. We'll see how markets do. But hey, it's nice to see Bitcoin breaking out on the 2nd of the year. Guys, that's my thoughts on a price prediction for Casper. It's not anything crazy, none of that Moon Boy stuff. If you want that, I'll make a video. But realistically, 60% return in the right market, no problem, especially for something like cryptocurrencies and the price fluctuations that they have, including Casper. You guys have a good one. Don't forget, head over to my other YouTube channel, my woodworking YouTube channel, filled in there with some skateboarding clips. Make sure to subscribe. We have 246, I think, subscribers. So let's build that up. Guys. So check that out down in the video description. You guys have a good one. Enjoy this rally.